guys, welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxing of all monthly subscription boxes, product reviews, makeup, some travel and adventure videos at times, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then woohoo, thank you so much, my beautifuls. Please don't forget to like the video. That helps my video a lot, and make sure that you are clicking on that notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified and you won't miss a thing. Sometimes these videos are time sensitive, so you do not want to miss anything. So with that said, guys, let's get started. As you guys can see, we are back with XOXO Subscribe monthly subscription box. Guys, this is a lifestyle box, and I will link on the description down below all the details and information, prices, and all that good stuff that you need to know in order to go ahead and subscribe to this awesome box. With that said, guys, I will go ahead and get started. But again, this is a lifestyle box, and this box is amazing. All the boxes that I have received have been so good. So good. I will let you guys see for yourself. So let's get started. Woohoo! Super excited. Look how beautiful this is packaged. I love it. I love this blue color. This is like a teal color. It's so beautiful. Let's go ahead and try to remove the sticker out. Make sure, guys, you are following me on my Instagram account at my subscription obsession to view beautiful pictures of everything that I receive, some product reviews that I normally don't do videos on, some giveaways. So make sure that you are following me there. Woohoo! Look at all this goodies, guys. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my information card. So the theme for this month is Hide Tide. Everything that's listed here is inside this box, and this is all their information. Go ahead and follow them on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Woohoo! Let's show them some love, guys, because this box is awesome. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what we have here. So we have Things Uncommon. This is Handcrafted Happiness. So I believe we do have something from them inside the box. So exciting. Let's keep going. Pinch Me Therapy Dough. Woohoo, more goodies. So we have another card here with a 15% off code. Okay, so the first item, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So the first item that I pull out the box is going to be this gorgeous piece of modern jewelry, guys, as you guys can see. So this is from Unveiling Your Approach to the Day. So beautiful. Let's see what we have. So this is a bracelet, guys. Look, oops, got it right off camera, huh? So this is a bracelet. Look how beautiful it is. I love the tide on the decor of the center here. Is so beautiful, and it goes so perfect with the theme. It has a clasp bracelet. It has the 2-inch extender, so it will feed. Oh gosh, I can't talk today. It will fit mostly everyone, because with that 2-inch extender, you can definitely make it bigger. It is beautiful. Look at this, guys. So beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this bracelet. Next up, we have, let's pull this baby out of here. So this is Things Uncommon Sun Beach Bath Bomb. Look how beautiful the colors are. The packaging is just amazing. I love the packaging. So nice, guys. Look at this. Ooh, can't wait to use this bath bomb. So pretty. Next up, guys, we have Petty in a Box. Ooh, this looks so interesting. So this is from Vogue, New York, and it's a deluxe pedicure, ocean refresh, salt soak, and what else? It's a 4-step. So first you're going to soak. It has a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. Ooh, this sounds amazing. I cannot wait to try this. Look how just the colors is, it just goes with the theme of the box. I truly love this box, guys. And like I said, I will leave you guys all the details and all the information on the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to this box. Next up, we have from Pinch Me. It's a therapy dough, and this is to refocus, rebalance, and restore. It's a relaxation in a pinch. So here we have a little bit of detail about the product. As you guys can see, it is nicely sealed. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our next item, which is going to be this here. So here we have a Hide Tide facial serum, and it's from Each Beauty. And it has, you apply it on a clean face after using a toner. Use one pump of oil. A little bit goes a long way. And apply evenly to face and neck. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, I love receiving stuff on my face. It is so awesome. So it's a nice oil, guys, as you can see. Gotta put this back in there. Oh, it feels so nice and soft, and it's not sticky, and it smells so nice. Oh, it smells super nice, guys. I mean, you guys can definitely see the difference there. Ooh, love it. Okay, so next up, guys, this is the final piece of the box. So let's see. Woohoo! It's a nice case. Like it. Ooh, it's a nice case. So we have the cloth to clean our sunnies, right? Our sunnies are nicely packaged. Let's remove all this stuff. Ooh, oh my goodness. They are beautiful. I love the gold trim all around the sunnies. Love all that detail. This is, look how pretty they are in the inside. Oh my goodness, they are just gorgeous. I love them. Beautiful sunnies. I love my sunnies, so you guys know I will be rocking these. Definitely will be rocking those. Make sure you are following me on my Instagram, my subscription obsession, for beautiful pictures and more details on each box that I receive that I post there. The carrier, the carrying bag, the sunnies bag, whatever you guys call it, is beautiful, guys. Look at this. So cute. So with that said, guys, I think that was the last item from my box. This box is absolutely amazing. I recommend this box 110%. Make sure that you guys subscribe. Everything that I receive every single month is amazing, guys. Amazing. So with that said, I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.